Hey there, Shopify sellers. Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to elevate your e-commerce game. Today, we're going to show you how to set up a custom domain for your Shopify store. There are 4 steps in total, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your store's URL looking professional and aligned with your brand. Let's get started. Why is a custom domain important? A custom domain helps build trust with your customers, makes your store look more professional, and reinforces your brand identity. Plus, it makes it easier for customers to find and remember your website. Step 1. The first step is purchasing a custom domain. You have 2 options. You can either buy a domain directly from Shopify or use a third-party domain provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. To buy a domain from Shopify, go to your Shopify admin panel, click on Settings, then Domains, and click Buy New Domain. Search for your desired domain name, and if it's available, follow the prompts to purchase it. Shopify will automatically configure the domain and link it to your store, making this a quick and easy option. Step 2. If you're using a domain from a third-party provider, you'll need to connect it to your Shopify store. Click Connect Existing Domain. Enter the domain you own, and click Next. Shopify will provide you with DNS settings that you need to update on your domain provider's website. These usually include pointing the A record to Shopify's IP address and setting the CNAME record to point to shops.myshopify.com. Once you've updated these settings, it may take up to 48 hours for the changes to take effect, though it often happens much faster. Step 3. After your custom domain is connected, you'll want to set it as your primary domain. This ensures that all traffic to your store will use your custom URL instead of the default Shopify URL. In the Domains section of your Shopify admin panel, you'll see your new domain listed. Click on Set as Primary next to your custom domain, and Shopify will automatically redirect all traffic from your myshopify.com domain to your new custom domain. Step 4. The final step is to verify and test your domain to ensure everything is working correctly. Once your domain is set as primary, visit your website using the custom domain URL to make sure it loads properly. Check that all pages are accessible and that there are no broken links or issues. It's also a good idea to check your site on different devices to ensure it's working smoothly across all platforms. And that's it. You've learned how to set up a custom domain for your Shopify store in 4 steps. By following these steps, you'll have a professional, branded URL that helps build trust and makes it easier for customers to find your store. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Taranker for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!